This thing is so heavy. Just a bit further. Keep going.
At first, scientists thought the images were fake. In the middle of the Sahara Desert, where the sun burns the sand above 45 degrees Celsius. But this land had been dry for centuries. Nothing grows here, only sand and wind. At the beginning, there was only empty desert. Endless orange sand, no trees, no grass, no water. So how did watermelons grow here? To understand the miracle, we have to go back to day one. Farmers started by digging long trenches in the sand. Into those trenches, they poured rich black soil brought from far away. Then they installed thin black drip irrigation pipes. These pipes released tiny drops of water, slowly feeding the soil. Next came the most delicate step. Small watermelon seeds were placed carefully into the dark soil. Then the sand was gently covered. For days, nothing happened. Then suddenly, tiny green sprouts appeared. The vines slowly spread across the orange desert sand. Soon, yellow flowers opened under the harsh sun. Weeks later, green spheres began to grow beneath the leaves. And then, the desert produced something no one expected: giant watermelons. Each one weighed more than 20 kilograms. When the farmers cut one open, the inside was bright red, sweet, juicy, perfect. In the middle of the Sahara, the desert had grown a harvest. The harvest surprised everyone. But the real question remained: how did these watermelons grow so large in the desert? Soon, scientists arrived at the farm. They wanted to understand the secret. At first glance, it looked simple: just sand, a few pipes, and green vines. But beneath the surface, something unusual was happening. The black drip irrigation pipes released water slowly, drop by drop. This method is called drip irrigation. Instead of flooding the land, each plant receives just the water it needs. Almost nothing is wasted. But water alone was not the answer. The farmers had mixed the desert sand with rich organic soil. This dark soil holds moisture longer. It protects the roots from extreme heat. Even when the surface temperature rises above 45 degrees Celsius, the roots stay cool below the ground. Then the vines begin their work. Watermelon plants spread wide across the sand. Their large leaves create natural shade. This helps the soil stay moist. Slowly, the fruit grows bigger. Day after day, under the harsh desert sun, the vines turn sunlight into sugar, and the watermelons grow heavier, bigger than anyone expected. When the scientists tested the fruit, the results were surprising. The watermelons were sweet, fresh, and full of water, grown in one of the driest places on earth. What once looked like impossible desert land had become a working farm, and it revealed something powerful. Even the harshest land can produce life with the right knowledge.